In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add EBT SNAP card to Instacart 2026, step by step. If you want to use your EBT SNAP benefits on Instacart, the process is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along at your own pace and get your card added to your account without confusion. To begin, go to Instacart and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find the main navigation options for your account and settings. From that sidebar, click on Account. This will open the section where Instacart keeps your personal account details, preferences, and payment-related options. After that, click on your account settings. This takes you further into the area where you can manage the information connected to your profile. Next, click on Account Settings. You may notice that Instacart separates general account controls from payment options, so just keep following the menu labels carefully. Inside this section, look for the option that says Add EBT SNAP card and click on it. After that, click on EBT SNAP. This opens the form where you can enter the information for the card you want to connect to your Instacart account. Once the EBT SNAP section is open, select the option to add your EBT SNAP card. Now you'll need to enter the card details exactly as requested. Start by adding the first name associated with the card, then enter the last name. After that, type in the card number carefully. It's a good idea to pause for a second here and double check everything before moving on, since even a small typo can prevent the card from being added successfully. When all the information is filled in, click Save. That will submit the details and add the card to your Instacart account, assuming everything was entered correctly. As a quick tip, make sure the information you enter matches the card exactly and try to complete the process in a secure, private setting since you're working with sensitive payment information. If the card doesn't save right away, review the name and number fields for any mistakes and try again. And that's it. Once your EBT SNAP card is added, you'll be one step closer to using eligible benefits during checkout on Instacart. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get everything set up smoothly.